Welcome to our session on pituitary gland hormones (MCQs), where we will explore clinical scenarios and their explanations. A 30-year-old woman presents with polyuria and excessive thirst. Her serum osmolality is elevated, and her urine osmolality is low. Which hormone deficiency is most likely responsible for her condition? The correct answer is antidiuretic hormone. The symptoms describe diabetes insipidus, caused by a deficiency of ADH, which leads to decreased water reabsorption in the kidneys. A 22-year-old male presents with reduced libido and infertility. Laboratory tests reveal low testosterone levels and decreased sperm count. Which pituitary hormones are most likely deficient? The correct answer is follicle-stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. FSH stimulates spermatogenesis, while LH promotes testosterone secretion. Their deficiency leads to infertility and low libido. A newborn fails to thrive and has a delayed response to cold stress. Lab findings reveal low T3 and T4 levels. Which pituitary hormone is likely deficient? The correct answer is thyroid-stimulating hormone. Low T3 and T4 levels are indicative of hypothyroidism. The deficiency of TSH prevents stimulation of thyroid hormone production, leading to such symptoms. A 25-year-old male presents with excessive growth of hands, feet, and facial features. Laboratory tests show elevated growth hormone levels. Which anterior pituitary cell type is most likely responsible for this condition? The correct answer is somatotropes. Somatotropes secrete HGH. Excessive secretion, often due to a tumor, leads to gigantism or acromegaly, characterized by abnormal growth. A 30-year-old woman has difficulty lactating after childbirth. Lab tests show elevated levels of prolactin. Which cell type is responsible for prolactin secretion? The correct answer is lactotropes. Lactotropes secrete prolactin, PRL, which is responsible for milk production. High prolactin levels may indicate a pituitary disorder. A 40-year-old male presents with signs of adrenal insufficiency. His cortisol levels are low. Which anterior pituitary hormone is most likely deficient? The correct answer is ACTH. ACTH stimulates the adrenal glands to produce cortisol. A deficiency in ACTH can lead to adrenal insufficiency, characterized by low cortisol levels. A 45-year-old male presents with excessive thirst and urination. Laboratory tests reveal dilute urine with low specific gravity. Further tests indicate a lack of ADH production. Which of the following is the most likely diagnosis? The correct answer is central diabetes insipidus. The symptoms of excessive thirst and urination with dilute urine and a lack of ADH production point to central diabetes insipidus, where there is a deficiency of ADH, leading to excessive water loss by the kidneys. A 65-year-old patient with hypotension is administered ADH. What is the most likely effect of ADH in this patient? The correct answer is vasoconstriction and increased blood pressure. At higher concentrations, ADH acts as a vasoconstrictor, narrowing arterioles and raising blood pressure. This is useful in patients with hypotension or shock. A patient has a serum osmolality of 300 mosm per kilogram, and after being injected with a concentrated electrolyte solution, the ADH secretion increases significantly. Which mechanism explains this response? The correct answer is osmoreceptor shrinkage due to increased extracellular fluid osmolarity. Osmoreceptors in the hypothalamus detect increased extracellular osmolarity. As extracellular fluid becomes more concentrated, the osmoreceptors shrink, triggering an increase in ADH secretion to conserve water and restore osmolarity balance. A 30-year-old pregnant woman in her third trimester presents with concerns about labor. Which of the following is a function of oxytocin in the process of labor? Oxytocin plays a crucial role in initiating and strengthening uterine contractions, especially towards the end of pregnancy, to facilitate the delivery of the baby. A 28-year-old woman is breastfeeding her newborn. Milk is ejected from the breast almost immediately after suckling. Which hormone is responsible for this milk ejection? Oxytocin stimulates the myoepithelial cells around the alveoli of the mammary glands to contract and eject milk, a process known as milk letdown. A 40-year-old woman has been diagnosed with a disorder that impairs the secretion of oxytocin. Which of the following effects would likely be observed in this patient? Oxytocin is essential for milk ejection. If its secretion is impaired, the patient would have difficulty with milk letdown, leading to challenges in breastfeeding. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more clinical scenario-based MCQs.